Okay, hello, hi, and welcome to my channel. It's for Linux. Please subscribe and like our channel to see every update from us. Well, in this video, guys, we're going to explain to you how to install the management component pack of the HPE Proliant server, Gen 9 and Gen 10, Generation 9 and Generation 10, with different series, the different models. Okay, so first of all, you have to go to this page first, and this page will show up like this. Okay, this is it. Now I want you to take a little bit of look at the list over here. Okay, so this here this is the component pack, this is the contents of it. Okay, what we're going to do in this video only is just concentrate on how to install them on Debian Linux and the Debian Linux distribution, and mainly install the SSA, okay, which is meant to control the hardware RAID of the server, okay, and make a RAID array. RAID is a technology that's used to logically group a number of hard disks as one list, and the operating system will see them as just one hard drive, very much like your pocket drive or your USB flash. So but we use this method for continuity of the service. So just in case one of the drives got bad, another disk will replace it, and you can just simply take out the bad disk while the system is turned on. You don't have to shut down the system. Okay, and there are different ways of grouping these disks. Maybe you can make them as one hard drive, maybe you can make them multiple copies of a single drive, so whenever one of the drives fails, the others will take over. Okay, so this is how it goes. Okay, this is how it goes. Now because we're going to use Debian, so we're going to move down towards the Debian paragraph of the page. But just for you, if you don't know what's RPM, RPM is just for those who use Red Hat based systems like Red Hat and CentOS and Fedora and SUSE. Those are their logos. Okay, those are different distributions. Now because we're going to use here only Debian, so what works for us is just Debian. Okay, and the system here is Debian. And to know the type of the system is just by typing like this. Okay, and typing lsb release. Okay, I-A. So this is the system. Okay, so it tells me that it's bullseye. Okay, and this is the type distribution that I must be compatible with. Okay, must go with, and this is the version of the distribution. Okay, the code name is bullseye, of course. Now within the page here, so we have to take this link. Okay, not here in the editor, but this is just for the sake of this explanation. Okay, so you have to replace the dist and the project version. Okay, only the dist and the project version. Don't remove the slash. Okay, with one of these. So I have here, for example, my distribution is bullseye, so I'll have to use bullseye. Okay, if you have a buster, you'll have to use buster. Okay, and project version, it's better that you use current, which is usually the latest version. Okay, and we before adding this link, okay, which is the same as here. Okay, trying to zoom out a little bit. So I have here like it will be bull's eye, and here I replace it with current. Okay, and then I want to type clear just for clarity. Okay, and just type vi slash etc slash apt slash sources.list. Okay, it's already configured, by the way. So this is the link, as you can see here at the bottom. You just type it in the file, okay, or copy paste it, okay, like usual. Right click and copy paste, and then press escape, and then colon, and then WQ to save the file. Please, it has to be one colon, not multiple. Okay, and just because of the delay in the server. And then I do apt update. Before apt update, sorry, there's one thing important. So what you have to do first is go here. See those highlighted lines? You just copy them, and in the terminal as root, of course, all this has to be done as root. You see me logged in as root over here. Okay, so paste and run them. They will be downloaded. Okay, and I'll clear just for clarity. Then I will do apt update. It will download the latest index, and this means it will add the index and the catalog of packages of the MCP, the management component pack of HPE, okay, HPE servers, Hewlett Packard servers. So and then we clear. Now, if you want, you can use this command and write it in order to upgrade everything in your server before doing anything else. Okay, just by writing it like that. I'm not gonna do it because it might have lots of. It has 6 packages that might need some time. So it tells me 6 packages. Okay. Then I will do apt install SSA. Okay. Now it should download. Once you see it like this, it means that this, the package is already installed. In case you had a problem with something related to the following, there's this here in this file. You edit it too. Okay. Here in the info, there's an info. I'm trying to search where is the file. Okay, SSA. Okay, dot post install. Okay. Now you see here the this line and this line. It's better that you this line. Okay. Keep them with first character as hashtag, okay, because those don't exist already. Okay, if they don't, if it tells you they don't exist, just once when it gets installed, just simply open that file I told you about, and just highlight it, and just simply save it. Okay, like we did with the apt sources. Okay, and just repeat the command apt install SSA. It will be installed. Okay, because here everything is going to be run locally, and there's no service in that. Okay, it's not a web server or something like that. It's just like an app that's sort of runs as a server method. Okay, now once it's got installed, it's better that if you don't have this menu editor for mate, because my desktop is mate. Okay, so apt install also mate. Okay, Mozo, I mean Mozo. Okay, Mozo. This is a menu editor for here. Okay, and we press edit menus. Okay, and then when you want to edit the menu, for example, I want to put the app a shortcut in the menu here in this menu. Okay, I want to put it like here in the system and administration. This is why I want to put it, so I put it like here. Okay, so the way to do it is just by like a new item. Okay, let's imagine that I deleted this one. Okay, and I press a new item. Okay, and I want to put its name like HPE Smart Storage Administration. The command is as follows: /usr /sden /ssa space. There is a space, you have to put a space like this. Okay, then local -local. Okay, I'm gonna put a command if you want. This is the optional, is the trade management. Okay, and then I click here. Now I go to the root of the system, the file system, and I go to OPT, because this is where the logo is located. Then I go to the last one, Smart Storage Admin. Then I go to SSA. Then I go to HTML. Then I go to SSA1. Then I go to images. Okay. By the way, just for your information, don't use the favicon icon. Okay, don't get fooled with it. It will not work. So go to the images. Okay, and then go to find that same one, the favicon icon. It's there on the OEM. When we select this file called logo.png and open, and you will have it like this. Okay, and it will go like this, and you can now close and simply go to System Administration. You will find it here. Okay, because this is where I wanted it to be in the tree of menus. Then I click it, and it will open. Please remember, it will ask you that it will prevent pop-ups, and this port number will change every time you open the application, so you cannot reach it even if you change it this way. Okay, to get it from otherwise. Okay, so I press preferences and allow pop-ups. Okay, and this is how it will be turned on for you. And remember, this is very, very important, that this is for online administration. This is while the system is turned on, and you must log in with a graphic interface as root. Okay, you cannot just do using something like sudo or something like that. It's not easy. Okay, so for easiness and just won't take time, you will be doing the administration of your RAID drive. Okay, you can do diagnosis. Okay, diagnosis like this. Okay, view diagnosis report. Okay, and you see some output. Okay, all information. If you got some errors, it will tell you about the errors. You just read it thoroughly. Okay, and that's it. Okay, that's it. So if you see, if you refresh, it will not work again. So it's better that what you should do always is use it from administration again and then turn it on, and you'll see that it will have a different number. Please revise the video, you will see this on a different number. Okay, and also preferences allow pop-ups. Okay, thanks for watching. Okay, like you can also do that using a command line. There is the SSA CLI. Okay, solid install too. Okay, and then it will be SSA CLI, okay, like this, and type help, and just read the rest. Okay, read the rest of the commands, and I'm gonna exit, and that's it, and thanks for watching. Goodbye.